Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Huawei Watch 5 46mm and 42mm. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two watches come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Huawei Watch 5 46mm come with 1.5 inches LTPO AMOLED display, and the Huawei Watch 5 42mm come with 1.38 inches LTPO AMOLED display. Next, compare the battery features. Huawei Watch 5 46mm come with up to 4 days of battery life, and the Huawei Watch 5 42mm comes with up to 3 days of battery life. Let's compare the connectivity features. Both the smartwatch come with Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, GPS and Wi-Fi. Next, compare the sensor features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.